Chapter number 15. Title of this chapter is what? The sky falling. The sky is falling. This is the fifth part of this chapter. Grammar section. First, I am going to write some sentences on the board. Sentence number 1. Sentence number 1 is I am going to tell the king. I am going. I am going to tell the king. Sentence number, this is the first sentence. Sentence number 2 is the sky is falling. The sky is falling. And the last sentence, sentence number 3, we are meeting. We are meeting. We are meeting the king. Or we are eating mangoes. Or we are eating apple. So these three sentences I have written on the board. Sentence number 1, I am going to tell the king. Sentence number 2 is the sky is falling. Sentence number 3, we are eating apples. I am going to tell the king. मैं राजा को बोलने जा रहा हूँ. क्या बोलूँगा वो मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन बोलना है. So first we will talk about the sentence number 1. You can see that in sentence number 1 is I. Subject is I. This is subject. And after subject I have written am. I have written am, and this is helping verb. This is what? This is helping verb. And after helping verb I have written going. Going is main verb. मैं जा रहा हूँ. But you can see that I have written the change form of go. Going. When we use go plus ing, it means verb plus ing. This is a fourth form. Fourth form is V4. V4 of go. There are five forms of any verb. When you will go to higher class, all of you will study about V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. So V4 verb plus ing. When we add ing with main verb, that is the fourth form of verb, V4. Going, coming, eating, falling, jumping, sleeping. These all are example of V4. Or we can say in another sentence, or another, we can use another word for this verb plus ing, gerund. Okay, so now come to the sentence number 2. The sky is falling. In sentence number 2 is subject is sky. The sky. After the sky I have written is. Is a helping verb. Is a helping verb. Helping verb. H helping V4 verb. And after helping verb I have written falling. Falling what? Falling is fall plus ing. It means this word is also V4. Falling. आसमान गिर रहा है. Now come to the sentence number 3. We are eating apples. हम लोग क्या खा रहे हैं? एप्पल्स खा रहे हैं, सेब खा रहे हैं. इन सेंटेंस नंबर 3, be subject and are is helping her. Are is helping her. And eating is main verb. Eating is main verb. Eat plus ing. Eat plus ing main verb. It means V4. So you can see that in 3 different sentences, according to subject, I have changed the I have changed or I have used different helping verb according to subject. Always we write or always we use am with I, is with singular number, are with plural number. So and this is going in sentence number 1, going in sentence number 2, falling in sentence number 3, eating. These 3 words, going, falling and eating, these all are action words that tell us activity is going on or happening now. The activity is happening. Activity or activities are happening now. Now I am going to write some sentences to fill some helping verb with V4. Sentence number 1. Question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable is, are or am. Is, are or am. Is, are, am. And the ing form. And the ing form of given verbs in the bracket. In the bracket. This is our question. Fill in the blanks with suitable is, are or am and ing form of given verbs in the bracket. First we will try to learn where do we use is, are or am. So first am. We use am with when subject will be I. Okay. And after am is. We use this is when our subject will be he, she, it or singular number. We use is with he, she, it or singular number. Are. We use this are when our subject will be what? We, you, they or plural number. आई अगर सब्जेक्ट में है तो हम लोग एम यूज करते हैं. अगर ही, सी, इट और सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट में है तो हम लोग इज यूज करते हैं. बी, यू, दे और प्लूरल नंबर अगर है सब्जेक्ट में तो हम लोग आर यूज करते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम क्वेश्चन. Sentence number 1 is The children. Sentence number 1 is the children. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In bracket. In bracket. Play. This is our first question. The children fill in the blanks in bracket play. Play is main verb in question number 1. And the subject is what? Subject is the children. Children is the plural form of child. Child means एक बच्चा, children मतलब बहुत सारे बच्चे, more than one. The children, and already I told, we use are when subject will be in plural number. जब प्लूरल नंबर में हमारा सब्जेक्ट होगा तो हम लोग आर यूज करेंगे, मोर देन वन चाइल्ड. ओके, सो वी विल राइट आर. द चिल्ड्रन आर, नॉट इज. द चिल्ड्रन आर. Completed. I have written helping verb. The children are. Now we will write, after helping verb we will write main verb. Main verb is play, but we will write V4, the forms of V4. So what will be the V4 of play? Playing. We will write playing. The children are playing. प्ले का क्या हो जाएगा? प्लेइंग हो जाएगा. प्ले का V4 क्या होगा? प्लेइंग होगा. और जब प्लूरल नंबर में है तो हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब में आर यूज करेंगे. मैंने लिखा द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम मोर सेंटेंसेस. Sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 is see, fill in the blanks, bracket open, eat, bracket close, and ice cream. Ice cream. Sentence number 3. I fill in the blanks, under bracket, study. Sentence number 4. Sentence number 4 is my mother fill in the blanks, bracket open, COOK, cook, bracket close. I have written 3 more sentences on the board. Question number 2 is C, fill in the blanks, under bracket eat and ice cream. So subject in question is sentence number 2, subject is C. वह आइसक्रीम एक आइसक्रीम खाती है. But we will write with helping verb and V4, with V4. So we will write she is, and what is the word of V4 when we write eat? So V4 of it will be eating. We will write she is eating. She is eating. Now sentence number 2 is completed. She is eating an ice cream. Given main verb is eat, under bracket. So we will write she is eating an ice cream. Now sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 is I fill in the blanks, under bracket study. So already I told and taught. When subject is I, always we write am. So I am. Helping verb what? Helping verb will be am. I am, and the V4 of study is studying. Study is studying. Studying. Question number 4. My mother fill in the blanks. Main verb is given. Main verb under bracket is cook. So we will write my mother. My mother is. We will write is, not are. My mother is And what is the fourth form? V4 of cook, cooking. My mother is cooking. Full stop. My mother is cooking. Completed. Now I am going to write some more sentences. Sentence number 5. Sentence number 5 is my friends. My friends. My friends. Main verb is come. Main verb is come to my house. To my house. Sentence number 6. Sentence number 6 is you dash. Main verb, given main verb under bracket is take. You take the dog for a walk. Sentence number 5 is my friends. In sentence number 5, two subjects have given my and friends. But to write the helping verb, we will see the second subject of sentence number 5. So second subject is friends. So we will write helping verb according to second subject of sentence number 5. So you can see that this is plural form, friends. एक दोस्त नहीं, बहुत सारे दोस्त, मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त आ रहे हैं. My friends. So we will write are as a helping verb. My friends are. And what is the V4 of come? Coming. COMING. My friends are coming to my house. मेरे मित्र, मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो है मेरे घर आ रहे हैं. My friends are coming to my house. Sentence number 6. You dash under bracket take the dog for a walk. Always when sentence number 6 is, you can see that you have used as a subject. So we will write are. Always we write are with you. So you are. And what is the V4 of take? Taking. We are or you are taking. TAKING. You are taking the dog for a walk. So students, we have learned about helping verb or V4 of main verb through this video. Thank you.